Kubelishbun fibro kene ketika result jongka typing test jongka LDA jongka DSC is Khasi Hill. Government of Meghalaya Office of the Deputy Commissioner District Selection Committee is Khasi Hill District la pelaj arpo tarik December. In continuation of the result of written examination, marladap shoka written examination, then kisah select nama typing test, then ladap ka typing test pada kini kiro nomor kilami. The eligible candidate bearing the roll number are hereby declared to have qualified the typing speed held on the 16th and 17th November. The typing speed kila pandai akan rew kanyo. Di kini ki roll number kila long eligible ban appear biang saya next stage of recruitment process kata kali language test. Lagi la qualify biang ka language test kin sapoi syaka personal interview. Di kini ki nomor kila dap ayang ni te sa check mapi roll number yang pi hiyo an man qualify syaka next stage. Stang na usan no not kanai way ter syapo. Sampai himapi yang tu ter ba te kiba qualify bro ki don kumba lais pa tamai ki candidate kiba qualify nam taka language paper mo ban yo point nak syaka language paper kiba qualify ka typing speed test teknik number ada payah ni te saposi kiba page again number jong lade gide ki san sang usan next sang non riu ter riu anyo not kandai ter lair runyo not riu nhiều not kandai not sun. Baru ke poi syakalai spa tamai then page yakane important notice in compliance to the office memorandum dated long 24 July 2023 issued by Personal Reform Department of Meghalaya. This is for information that the qualified candidate for the typing space kini gilai spa tam kila qualify nam taka kila qualify ka typing speed test te kila poi syaka qualifying paper katakan knowledge of local language kila dap ongba te betang ka Khasi language in case of East Khasi Hill district temut ba kunan ta Khasi language changam tip re kiwe badai kibre na kawe kejat padu nang ban tho kata Khasi language tang ba kila tho hang ne ba Khasi language in case of East Khasi Hill district. The examination date of which shall be intimated in due course kinsa pentip ya kata ka exam. Such eligible candidates are requested to visit the district website from time to time. Tapi hapan page ka website jongka district East Khasi Hill nakapor syapor. This is for further information la de batai don khamaru ba kini ki eligible candidate ki haban qualify kan ka paper on knowledge of local language will be a descriptive paper. Takade ka descriptive te la bandai essay la bandai ki 5 mark question la bandai ki 2-3 marks question kat baki ai. Tama essay type te la tiknahi bakan ai hi. Kan dai san phomak taken I santly question and I supposedly question ne kan syong hakihi te empat tip ya kata and to qualify for the same te ban qualify ru hab qualify pihak ban score ka ongneba eligible mo score at least 35% te kan poi syaka khat nyo point san mark naga san pho mark khat nyo point san te kumno khat phra mark te men cross te tang ban qualify mo kan em don kam re ban yo full mark kan san pho te tang ban qualify ban poi syaka personal interview. Only those eligible candidates who qualify tang man qualify mam non kamre ban yo full mark who qualify the language paper shall be called for personal interview. The qualify language mungkin poi be syaka final stage kada ka personal interview. The sa perkrep ha nam ta kaneka Khasi language te language paper kamjuru iaki badai jongka grade 4 LDA ru kaju grade 4 kaju kin ai da kata ka kaneka language mo qualifying paper on knowledge of local language. Te tangane gi jumtip khulish won.